Dayal Das, along with his family and neighbours, fled their homes in Pakistan to seek refuge in Delhi in 2013. Dayal is one of 1,600 Pakistani Hindus who left their native country because they feared religious persecution and the apathy displayed by the government of Pakistan.
जिस देश में अपना धर्म नहीं है, रहना सहना ठीक नहीं है, पढ़ाई नहीं है, बच्चे सुरक्षित नहीं है, तो वहाँ रहना उचित नहीं है.
Shobraj wants to become an army officer and serve the Indian army. He avoided going to school in Pakistan. He felt bullied at the school because he was a Hindu living in Pakistan.
पाकिस्तान में लड़ाई होती थी, डर लगता था, इधर कुछ भी नहीं है, इधर अच्छा नहीं होता था, मारते थे, बहुत अच्छे नहीं थे, लड़की को उठा जाते थे, इधर अच्छा है.
There is no official estimate of the number of Pakistani Hindus living in India, but over the years, small groups have been crossing the border to head for Delhi and other northern states like Rajasthan and Haryana. Many came in the wake of rising violence against Hindus in Pakistan in 2011. The influx continues till date. After Indian Prime Minister Modi announced in April that Pakistani Hindu refugees would be treated like other Indian citizens, that exodus gained strength. At present, the number of Pakistani Hindu refugee families in India is well above 300. Once in India, they apply for asylum and eventually for citizenship.
हमारे को नौकरी नहीं मिल रही है यहाँ पे, क्यों? तो हमारी यहाँ की नागरिकता नहीं है.
Like Rani and Ravi, many refugees in Majnu Ka Tilla are from Sindh. Religious intolerance forced them to leave everything behind and cross the border. You can't praise India and Pakistan if you don't want to be beaten up. Even cricket matches were fraught with tension and confusion over which team to cheer for.
इधर तो सुख शांति है, भाई जैसे मिल जाते हैं, बाबू तो कह देते हैं नमस्ते, राम राम, राम राम तो है, सारी बातें छोड़ दे, राम राम तो है.
The number of Hindus in Pakistan is shrinking. Border hostility between India and Pakistan has heightened tensions between the majority Muslim community and the minority Hindus. It's becoming increasingly difficult to find work and the right spouses for their children. Hiralal describes how he, like 2 million Hindus currently in Pakistan, constantly lived in fear.
हिंदू की इज्जत कम है वहाँ, जैसे यहाँ मुसलमानों की इज्जत है, ऐसे हिंदू की कम बहुत है.
During Holi, women would scold their children and ask them to play with colours within the boundary of the colony. If the colour as much as touched a Muslim, there would be a riot-like situation.
होली दिवाली छुप के, इधर तो करें, इधर की बात नहीं है. जब भी होली बना लेते हैं तो मुसलमान का घर आमने सामने, ये बोलते हैं हमारी भैंसें मर गई, चलिए से हमारी होगी, बकरी मर गई, फिर छुप घर में बस ये होली दिवाली बना के आरती वारती घर में बैठ जाते हैं.
Pakistani Hindus who have arrived in the Indian capital in recent months, they tell us they fled their homes to escape religious discrimination and persecution. They have been waiting for long to get Indian citizenship. However, they have already built their homes in India and living a dignified life. With video journalist Naushad, Nagin Singh, WION.